Video about my slime. I don't know why. Okay, this is Jiggly Slime. It's been a week since I made this, or like 2 weeks, because I was out of town. Okay, so I want to give a shout out to JRG488, and then they have subscribed. That actually is my cousin. And then Sophie Jewis, SOFIJEWIS. Okay, guys, thank you so much for doing this family scrolling. Comment down below some questions because I want to do a Q&A. And please like and subscribe. And comment down below what I should name our squad. This is going to be like a little short video. It's going to be like a minute long. I'm just poking this while I am filming. This is not my good slime, but it's my clicky slime. It's a clicky slime. It's not stretchy. It's just clicky. See? Yeah. That's why I don't like it a lot. I just like the click of it. Doesn't really crunch. It's really cold. Sorry about the background noise. It's not like a slime ASMR because I'm not good at that. This is just like talking while I'm playing the slime ASMR. Bye guys, thank you guys for watching, and love you guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye, and comment down below.